come on in. What's up everybody, Calvin Wesley here. Today I decided I'm going to give you guys a tour of my mother's house in Accra, Ghana. Just a brief overview, it's 3 levels. This is the second time I'm doing this because the first time I said it has 5 bathrooms and no bedrooms. So it has 5 bedrooms, 5 or 6 bathrooms, a couple lounges, and I'm going to take you guys through the house to start off. So as you can see, as you enter, we have a lounge suite, a salmon color because it's really in right now, rose gold finishes, just so we can sit here when our mom's cooking and everything and catch up after she comes back from work. Then the main theme here is pink, so we've got all the Smeg appliances, knives and forks, these really cool pots. They said they're made from marble, but they obviously have some form of marble, and then add some Jamie Oliver things and a little few touches. Then you walk through here. We have all the electronics, I have to show them, but all the electronics only here that run the house. Then when we go in here, we have a little pantry, another bathroom, and the garage. As we enter here, this is the main lounge. So we have the lounge suite, obviously, table, vase, lamps, and as you can see, all of the finishes are rose gold, also all in here. We worked out there's something about 12 to 16 air cons in this house. There's a lot of air cons because it gets very hot. Yesterday it was 41 degrees Celsius. So if you don't have the air cons on to about 16, you absolutely boil. So at least you can come in here and you can just escape the heat. Then if you follow me, we'll go up to the second level. On the second level there's 3 bedrooms. So first off is my mom's bedroom, Cassandra mixed bedroom, which is my other sister and her boyfriend who isn't here right now. And then Clayton's bedroom. We'll start off with my mom's bed. It's really nice, got the big double doors, aircon on, big bed, lots of space. It's all floor to like ceiling to floor, not mirrors, windows everywhere. It's a lot of natural lighting, luckily they're tinted. Mom's got a big balcony out there, I would go and show you, but as soon as we got there it's so hot it's just going to mist up the lens. Big bathroom with the old style Victorian bath in there. And then from here, we will go into the first room. This is my mom, I'm scared of the camera. This is Cassandra, mixed room. Really nice. We all had our own color scheme, picked it out, did little touches that we wanted to. Everything's like wood, so it's really nice. Then this is Clayton. That room is much brighter than this room actually, the light. We come into this room, this is Clayton's room, and visitors. As you can see through this door here, there's a door this side, there's a door that side. I'll turn the light on so you can see there's a door on the other side, and that leads into the bathroom. So they have interleading bathrooms in there. And then we will move on to the third level. On the third level is my bedroom and my sister's bedroom, who's busy manning the camera. The camera person was first my brother, but he just did a terrible job and absolutely butchered it. So let's go into her room. So as you come up the stairs, this is her room. It is eventually nice and cold. We've got the aircon to work. This is, I think, one of the most beautiful rooms in the house, just because there's complete windows there, take up that whole wall there, and there's a lot of natural light that gets in here, but when it's hot, it gets very hot. Then we got here, I'm not going to go out there because it's pretty dark, we won't be able to see anything, but there's a big balcony. We go into my room, my Emirates first class slippers, but put that nice and neat. This is my room. As you can see, all the beds and everything in Ghana are much lower than, well, from us being from South Africa. Got the carpet here. Also, I've got full floor to ceiling to floor, I should say, blinds, and I go out to my deck, veranda, balcony. It's really nice. Some more air cons, obviously, because it gets very hot. Then I've got my cupboards here, and just a quick show in the bathroom. I've got a big Victorian bath. And the one more thing I need to show you guys, but I won't go show you now because you won't be able to see anything, is the pool and the gym. And I've got to walk to get to that. But it's a really nice pool. It's 25 meters in length, about 3 lanes, so we can do laps. There's a big gym in there. It's got 2 treadmills, a bike, one of those like elliptical machines, a whole lot of weights, different equipment. So it's really, really nice. You can get a workout in there. I probably had my best workout since I've been here in Ghana in that gym. They have an area where you can sit on the top of the gym, obviously because it's a building on the top of the gym, where you can suntan, relax. And it's just really, really lovely. Have a brow there. So that's the house tour. And thank you guys so much for watching. I just want to say well done to my mom again. So proud of her from where we were to where we've been able to come here. Flying first class, being able to live in a house like this and everything. I'm truly, truly proud of her through her hard work and dedication. So I love you lots. Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to live like this. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe.